Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front shelf trim in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it.
When you open up the package, you're going to get a new front trim.
This front shelf trim is mounted at the front edge of the glass shelf. It holds the glass to the shelf frame at the front edge. The main reason to replace the front shelf trim is if it's broken, causing the glass shelf to be unstable. To get to the part, we need to open the door.
I'm going to remove this shelf, lift it up and slide it out. All right, let's place it onto this table. I'm going to lift it up, and now we're going to remove this front trim by turning it. I'm going to remove the glass insert by pulling it out. I'm going to place it right there. And now we're going to slide this front trim off the frame. This is the old front trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to lift up the frame and we're going to install this new trim on. I'm going to put it right there and I'm going to press it in. Next, I'm going to install this glass insert. I'm going to put it first. I'm going to slide it into that here, into this seam here at the bottom, at the rear trim. And then bring it up and make sure that it's evenly installed. Now I'm going to turn this front trim, and we're going to lock the shelf, that glass insert. All right, let's install it. All right, now I'm going to slide the shelf in.
And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.